Imagine looking back a year from now, seeing your account explode while everyone else is still on the sidelines. With the Fed's May meeting looming, every trading day could be the difference between hitting a new high or falling behind for good. Don't be the investor who regrets missing out on the ground floor. Your cat could pick better stocks. Let's prove it wrong. Tesla remains a cornerstone of growth, spotlighted as one of the top 5 stocks to buy in May 2025. Dubbed a member of the Magnificent Seven, Tesla's 2024 rally set the stage. Now it's gearing up for another leg higher. Will Elon's vision ignite your portfolio, or will rising competition leave you charging dust? But the biggest surprise in clean energy might come from a completely different corner. Stay tuned. Nvidia tops Forbes' May list thanks to its AI-driven GPU dominance. Every major cloud provider is racing to integrate Nvidia chips. Can you afford to miss that train? Seriously, pause this and shout NVDA at your screen. Feel the energy? Meta Platforms earned a buy rating in this week's Wall Street Zen watch list. Trading at $543.36 with a $935 one-year target, Meta's pivot into AI and VR is just heating up. This is more than Facebook Plus. Missing Meta now could cost you the next internet revolution. Chewy sneaks onto Wall Street Zen's list as pet ownership soars and subscription revenue spike. Who knew dog treats could be such a cash cow? Woof, equals money. Enterprise collaboration tools are in hiding, earning Atlassian a buy. From code to customer service, teams everywhere are clicking subscribe. Your portfolio is up too. American Express beat Q1 profit estimates on resilient travel and entertainment sector, posting $2.58 billion in net income. Buffett's Berkshire owns $38.24 billion in AXP stock, underscoring his conviction. As credit card delinquencies tick up, Amex's affluent base could be your safe harbor. Don't wait to board. Chevron stands out in Berkshire's portfolio with $16.36 billion invested, benefiting from steady oil demand. Energy shocks could send CVX soaring. Are you fueling your gains or watching from the sidelines? CVS Health has delivered a 50.9% return so far in 2025, topping the S&P 500's leaders. Dentists hate this head. One pharmacy stock could patch your portfolio's holes. But which of these 8 is the dark horse ready to outperform them all? Coming up next, from electric roads to digital realms, from your pet's pantry to the global oil, these are the top stocks to watch. With earnings season and Fed policy headlines on the horizon, every hour counts. Fear of missing out is real. Take control of your financial destiny today. In our next video, we'll reveal the one sleeper stock that could blow past these giants. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss it.